Hey you guys, now I'm going to make a video how to replace the LCD at this phone and the back glass without crack the back glass, because this is not so easy to remove. When you do it too hard you break or something. This LCD is crap, but you can see nothing, the glass is good. So we're going to remove this, like to change the charger port, or anything you want to change inside or change the LCD. We're going to remove it easy with alcohol. I'm going to show you how to do right now. Okay, we're going to start. I use 185 degrees Celsius to preheat the back glass. 185, remember. And the back glass it doesn't matter. It's not LCD or something gonna be damaged. So you can use about 200, 220. 185 is good. You have to do this with very precaution because it's very fragile. I know a lot of people want to look around for how to change the back glass and everything without damage, or change the motherboard without damage the back glass. Okay. Now I use my scissor cut, my little cut. I don't know what it's. You have to put in this size inside, and then when inside you have to put more here. Okay, it's going. Look at this. It's going very. This is going hard. You have to put more here, because if you do it like hard, you're gonna break the glass, and we don't need that. It's going. It's going. It's almost done. We have to put a little more here because it's still with glue. Okay, wow, look, without break the back glass, see? Now we have to remove the screw from here. Nice screwdriver here. I got a big mess here. This is my big mess. Okay, we remove the screwdriver to remove the motherboard. This doesn't work. Hold on, let me go get my screwdriver.
I told you to get everything prepared.
I'm back. Careful with this. It's very fragile. This too. Disconnect the front camera, the microphone, speaker, LCD. Let me see this. If you got any question, you can ask. We're here to help. Also, we have store here in Dallas, Texas. We do a lot of stuff. We do cell phone repair. We do LCD crap, LCD damage repair. So we replace glass. We do charger port. We do backlighting iPhone. We fix computer. We fix TV. We fix everything about electronic. Don't forget to subscribe with us because I post a lot of videos. I don't know if you wanna learn how to fix phones. When you subscribe to my channel, you wanna know all the thing I do. Okay, now what we do here. Now I'm going to remove the front LCD. This is not easy. Everyone trying to look to change this charger port or something. It's not easy. Okay, let me show you how I do. I use alcohol. The alcohol I pour it here, so the alcohol is going inside the LCD. Look, in the edge, and I put alcohol here, and I let it for a little bit, so the alcohol get in the glue, and make the glue go out. Okay, we're gonna use a little heater here to put the knife inside. You can use 380, but don't touch this black thing here. The LCD, don't touch it. You can put here over here in this edge, but not here. Not with 185 degrees, because you wanna mess up your LCD. This is already messed up. I am telling you and show you how to do, because I know you don't wanna mess up some LCD. You wanna change your charger port. Put the knife inside here. Okay, the knife is inside. Well, what we're gonna do? We're gonna put a little bit alcohol inside. And that's water. Okay, with this open, the alcohol will be inside, and you wanna see the LCD will go out easy. Okay, let the alcohol a little bit over here, and then it's going. Look, in this edge you have to put the knife a little there for the knife. Don't put too high, because you're gonna mess up your LCD. Okay, the glue is more fragile now. Look, it's no more. I pull the knife from here. This is to remove the LCD, to change the charger port, or to replace the LCD, or to do anything in your phone book without damage the LCD. So a lot of people know make a lot of videos showing how to break the LCD, and I show you how not break your LCD. So this, do you see the edge? It's open. Now we can use a car like this, and then we put inside. Look, this car will be passed here. Look, see? Okay, this car will be inside here in the edge of the LCD. Look, see? We use another car to put it here. We try to put inside the car. Okay, it's going. No inside the LCD, because if you put inside the LCD, you're gonna mess up everything. See? See? It's going. Why is it going so fragile? Because we put alcohol. We put alcohol in here, and the alcohol make the glue go fragile, so the glue is no more high to in the LCD. So over here, look at this. The LCD is almost out. Okay. Be careful, very be careful with this flex cable. Okay. Okay, look. The LCD is almost out. We only put a little bit here and here. Here a little temporary. And then the LCD will be going down out quick, easy, without messed up or something. See, the LCD is going out. The glue is here, but the glue is no more glue. It's with alcohol, the glue is going down. Look at this. This is not the LCD. This is just protection for the LCD. Okay. See. See. We remove now the LCD. Here is the glue. We don't mess up the LCD. This is not the LCD. This is just a plastic to protect the LCD. So this you can take it off. Doesn't matter. See, this is nothing to mess up your LCD or something. See, the LCD is here. This is the thing you have to be very careful, because this is the thing is expensive, and you have to be very careful with this flex, because this is the flex for the LCD. So when you put your knife, you have to put it in this size, just a little bit on this size, and then you put alcohol in the edge where is the camera. You put alcohol. Okay, now for what we do this, because sometimes we're trying to change the charger port, and it's not hard to change the charger port on this phone, because this part of the back sensor is here, so you can't pull out the charger port, because the charger port is coming with this flex. See, it's coming here. So I don't want to remove right now, but because it's good, it's not messed up. I only going to install a new LCD now. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. You wanna learn how to fix phones, or you wanna learn how to change LCD, how to fix backlight, how to unlock. I know I have a lot of videos. I can fix phone. I can do remotely repair too, like to unlock Google account or unlock the company, unlock a Sprint phone, unlock a mobile phone. I can do remotely too. Remember, you subscriber, you make us more happy to make more videos like this, to show you how to learn how to fix phone, how to fix computer. Soon I'm going to show how to fix a computer or something. Okay. Okay, now we gotta test the LCD, the new LCD. This is the new one. This is going here. This already has glue. Well, I don't going to take it out right now, because I'm going to test the new LCD. This is the motherboard. We connect the LCD, the power button. The other one doesn't matter now. It's just to test. Okay, we're going to test this. This the LCD is cool, because we just buy it, so we know it's fine or what. So you see this LCD is messed up. Somebody just dropped the phone, and I don't know why the LCD doesn't show no more backlight, but it doesn't work. So I tried to fix it, to put it out without messed up the LCD. But I know it's bad, it's no good. I can put it out like everyone do it. Okay, look. Okay, the LCD is good. Okay. What we're going to do now, we're going to put the new LCD in the housing. This is glue, so this is going to go over here. Be careful, take out this freaking plastic. Okay, over here is the glue. Look, remove this. Oh shit, this doesn't have glue. This LCD doesn't come with glue. You gotta put glue. Okay, so this will take more time for me because I have to put the glue and put inside and add the phone. So the way you have to know is how to remove it without mess up the LCD, to change the charger port or something inside. This is the more hard thing. And this is my video. Don't forget to subscribe. We fix phones. We are in the 507 North Gilpin Avenue, Dallas, Texas, 75211. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.